My name is Zelia Gouveia. I'm working for more than 8 years in oncology field, mainly in cell-based therapy. And the beginning of this year, I joined CellAction, now working as a head of the process development of cell-based therapies. So our aim here at CellAction is to define what is a product in R&D, speaking now in cell-based therapy, of course, and then bringing this product to a format that is more close to clinical, for clinical trials. So with Nio from Stilla, we are working in the characterization of our cell-based therapy product. Besides that, we are also developing other methodologies like the multiplexing to further characterize our product that will go for clinics. We started working with Nio recently, and the first impression was really nice. So they didn't know the technology of digital PCR. And so when we start using it to characterize our product, not CAR-T, we verified that the sensitivity was very high, the quantity of DNA that we're needing to use was very low, the resolution was super high, and the analysis was quite intuitive. So it was really nice, this experience, and the results that we obtained were really impressive. You pick up a chip, you put your sample, and you make it run, and after some hours you have your beautiful results. That I will not expect. After we pick up our data and we start to analyze. A data analysis is a bit more demanding, requires some training, some understanding, but once you get into that, it's quite easy to analyze. So it's this way we do our workflow. We believe that digital PCR is a very important technique for the characterization of our CAR-T. So we are now working on the multiplexing to analyze different parameters of our product. Before digital PCR, we were using the typical one, that is qPCR. So it's indeed quite simple to use, but not that simple. In the sense, for instance, if we need to do quantification, you need to always use a standard calibration curve. And this means that you have always variability between the users. With the digital PCR, we are not thinking about that. So we have absolute quantifications. We start our assay. We know what is the amount of copy numbers per microliter that we'll get. And for us, it's really, really important to get these results immediately. And of course, when you think about the price and the time of the researcher, it's much cheaper using the digital PCR. They have something that I really appreciate, is a very close contact with the client. And this for me is one of the biggest advantages. We don't know everything, and having the possibility to share with the company our doubts, our experience, and our expectations is something for me very important. At CellAction, we are in the stage that we are developing a lot of technologies, and we need to have a close contact to our client to be able to also develop technologies with them. And Stilla have been doing that perfectly. Digital PCR from Stilla provides us that. The fact that you can get absolute quantification very fast and having a sensitive method is extremely important. Capabilities and the potential that the digital PCR can have, and of course this collaborative aspects that we have with Stilla, a company.